Hey guys, imagine a factory that never sleeps, pumping out a smartphone every second without a single human in sight. Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, welcome to the future. Today, I'm taking you inside Xiaomi's dark factory in Changping, China. This place is a game changer. Picture an 81,000 square meter facility entirely run by robots and AI systems. From raw materials to final assembly, there's not a single human hand involved. So what does this mean for production? Well, this factory operates 24/7, churning out about 10 million devices every year with zero breaks. Efficiency is through the roof, and human error? Not an issue anymore. But here's where things get tricky. While this sounds like an engineer's dream, it's also a bit of a nightmare for the job market. According to the World Economic Forum, AI advancements could impact about 23% of jobs in just the next 5 years. That's a staggering number, folks. Now, before we all panic, let's talk regulation. Experts are pushing for global cooperation to make sure AI benefits everyone evenly and safely. It's not just about making production faster and cheaper, it's about doing it responsibly. So as AI continues to revolutionize industries, from manufacturing to services, the real challenge will be balancing technological advancement with employment. Wrapping up, the rise of fully automated dark factories is both an exciting and daunting glimpse into our future. We've got to keep the conversation going to ensure that this tech revolution benefits everyone. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this deep dive into AI-driven manufacturing. Subscribe for more tech insights, and I'll catch you in the next one. What do you think the future holds for AI and automation? Let us know in the comments.